So, what's going on, guys? In front of me is the gold chart market, and if we take a look back here, March and April, we saw here this double bottom with a divergence here, and then we rallied here all the way up. And here, usually, often, if we see a candlestick with a break like here, we can actually form a support line where the candlestick closed, which is about here, which means here we have the same pattern with a double bottom and a bullish divergence, and here we are seeing more or less the same pattern. So that being said, we saw here a huge candlestick that broke the resistance points here, and here we had a couple of them. So we could see here a similar candlestick at some point that breaks out here and then kind of see a retest and then move higher, which is something that we saw here. After the breakout, we saw a retest and we moved higher. And basically what I'm looking for, or if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, and let's add some indicators. So we are here basically at the 4-hour chart and pretty much trading here, or we had a bullish crossover, and here we are perfectly trading along this trend line. So I would here be a buyer. If we skip down to the smaller time frames, here we had a divergence on the chart and pretty much a double bottom on the RSI on the 2-hour chart. Everything points to the upside. Let's check all the time frames just to make it a little bit more clearer. So here on the 1-hour chart, here we perfectly had a double bottom on the RSI and a divergence on the chart, which suggests that we could go higher. Now keep in mind that on Friday we will have some news about from the US regarding the US dollar, which will tell us where the gold market will go as well. But for now, I would here go for a long position, at least on the next 2-3 days. So let's go with this one, and so this would be the trade that I'm going to take. Long position here and stop loss around here. So this would be the trade. So this was the gold analysis.